Hello friends, welcome to Java Easy Guides. So in the last session, we learned how to compile and run a program using command prompt. And in this session, we are going to do the same thing, but on the Intellij. And before that, we are going to know some of the basic components for the Java programming. So we can see these are the commands for compiling a Java program on our command prompt javac classname.java, and to run it Java and class name. Now after that, in our IntelliJ we need not to give these commands. We just have to click on the run and internally automatically the code will compile, and if no error occur, then automatically our code will be executed and will give us the output as per our program logic. So what are the components of the Java program? Now the first one is our class. Class is our main component of the Java program. Second one is our methods or functions, and third one is our main function. For the new learner, only these three things are important, that if someone has told us to write any Java program, then firstly we have to declare one class. Then inside that class we have to write our whatever. Suppose we have to perform some addition, then we have to write some function for this addition, that c is equal to a plus b, etc. This is a pseudocode I am writing, and after that he has to declare one main function inside the same class, and inside the main function we have to call the method whatever we have created, so that this method will give us the output. So these are the three main blocks of our Java programming when we have to write any Java program. Suppose someone has told us to write the program for addition, multiplication, subtraction, deletion, etc. Then firstly we have to declare as one class suitable for our means as per our requirement. We have to give suitable name to our class. Second step is to write a function or to write a program logic inside our function, and third is write a main method. So inside this main method we have to call our required method. So these are the steps to create a Java program. After that we have to compile that program and we have to run that program if no errors. Now see the example of the last program. Here first step we have declared our class. Second step we have declared our function. Next we have written our business logic as taken the two numbers and then their output. We have printed their output. And the third step is we have declared our main function, public static void main string argument, and inside this main function we have called our method for the addition. Method for the addition is called here, and according to this our output will be printed as a sum. So let's see the same example on the IntelliJ. So before entering directly into our IntelliJ, we have to create our workspace for our program. So I am creating my workspace inside my E drive. Creating new folder as by naming Java programs. Okay, this is my workspace inside my E drive. You can see this inside my E drive I have created my workspace as Java programs. Then I am closing this. Now I am opening my Intellij. Now this is my Intellij and I am creating on my new project. Now firstly I have to select the location for my project. Inside E drive Java programs. Okay. Here naming as a maths operations. Then language is Java, build system is Intellij, and JDK, whatever JDK is installed in your system, you have to select that. In my system JDK 19 is there, so I am selecting it. Then create. So we can see my first project maths operation is created inside the Intellij. So inside this directory or skeleton of my project, there is one folder called as a source folder. So in this source folder, we have to write our programs. So I am right clicking on the source, new Java class, and giving name as a maths operation program. No need to give so much lengthy, but this is my first program, and for your clear understanding that about what regarding the project is, so I am giving my class name as a maths operation program. New Java class, maths operation program. Entering OK. Now we can see by default my maths operation program means class is created, and in Intellij these fields are inbuilt automatically. Public class, my maths operation class is generated. So we can see this here, public and class, these two terminologies are come before this my class name. So this class is to declare our class, and this public is our access modifier. So access modifiers are the things, and some more things are there. We are now typing in our program. So that are some of the terms like keywords, our access modifiers, after that our data types. All of these terms we are going to cover in the later sessions. So by now we just have to for our understanding, we just have to know the flow of our program. So I am writing the function for my addition as public void addition, opening and curly close braces. I have just now I have declared our function as a public void addition, and after that two braces are there, curly open brace and curly close brace, and after this name addition also here are two circular braces. So this is the way how we write our function in Java. So we have to specify one access modifier, after that return type of our method. By now I am declaring as a void, and we are going to learn the return types in later sessions, and the name of our method, and these are the boundaries. Open and curly braces are the boundaries for our function. So inside this I am going to take two numbers, int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 6, int sum is equal to a plus b. So I have taken my number as an integer, so I have declared here the data type of my number a is int, second one is also the int, and the sum is also the integer as my data type. So data type also is a big chapter. There are many types of data types like integer, float, double, character, strings, after that arrays, etc. So we are going to learn all of them step by step. So by now you just have to know that for taking an integer number, the data type used is int. int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 6, integer sum is equal to a plus b, and I have to print the result. So I am adding this statement as a system.out.println and inside that sum. So what this statement does, system.out.println, this statement is used to print the result of our program. So if we want to print our result in our console, in our terminal, then we have to add this statement as a system.out.println. So by writing this statement, we will get the sum printed on our console. This is our terminal, printed on our terminal after as we run our program. And remember one thing, Java is a case sensitive language. So what is meant by the case sensitive? Java is a case sensitive. Case sensitive means there are some standards defined in Java that this thing should be in capital letter. This thing should be in the small letter. There are some rules and regulations to write the Java program, and the case sensitive means in Java, suppose we have declared taken one integer as a, and we have taken second integer as in capital A. First one is in a lowercase letter and second A is in a uppercase or capital letter. Then these two integers will be different in Java. That means the cases uppercase or lowercase, these things matter in Java. That means lowercase a and uppercase a, both of these will be different, that not will be the same. So if I am writing integer abc, and if I am taken another integer as a integer abc or integer abc, then these three parameters, integer abc, these are the different because they start with different cases and they have different, means someone have lowercase letters, some have uppercase letters. So we can say that Java is a case sensitive language. Now we have written our addition program, means we have declared our addition method, and inside this method we have created the logic for our addition program. Now the third step was writing our main function. So I am writing my main function as a public static void main string args. As usual, two braces, one open brace and one closed curly brace. So this is the standard way to declare our main method. That is specifying access specifier, after that static, after that its return type, and main, public static void main. We have declared this main method as a static method. So what is static? You need not to worry to think about this static. You are going to learn it in later session. So just now you just keep in your mind that we have to declare our main method as a static, and firstly we have to specify there our access specifier or access modifier as a public, after that static, because our main method is a static method. After that the main method's return type, it is a void, and after that main method, name of our method as a main, and inside this bracket every method should be should be followed by some these circular braces. So inside this circular braces, string args. This is the standard way to write our main method. So inside this method we have to create one object. So it is necessary to create the object of our class. So how to create it? Let's write. We have to firstly write our class name as a MathsOperation Program as it is. After that we have to give name or something. Suppose m1 is equal to new, again our class name, and then semicolon. So this is called as a object of class maths operation. So this is maths operation M1 is equal to new maths operation is the object of our class, and now this is the class name. This is a new keyword in Java, and this is also the class name, and M1 is the reference for this object. So what is the need of this object? The object of the class is created to call the method from this class. So now let's call the method over this reference. Yes. So whatever the reference of this object, this is the object. New maths operation is the object of our maths operation class, and M1 is the reference of our maths operation class. So we have to call our method addition over this reference as M1, after that dot, and then addition. Now our code is ready for the addition. 3 blocks are here. First one is the class block, second one is our method block, and third one is our main method block. Now let's run this program. Just we have to right click here and just we have to run. Automatically our program will be compiled. If any error are there, then that will be displayed in our terminal. No errors are here, and the output of our program is received here as a 16 because we have printed our output as here 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Okay, now in this way this is the standard way to write our program. So if you are understanding whatever I am teaching to you, then please subscribe to this channel to learn our Java language in easy way, because I am going to upload so many sessions for the Java language. So many concepts are still pending that I am going to explain in my later sessions. So to complete this whole course, please subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, then please like to this video. Okay, thank you.